Welcome back to Tomtronics. Today, we're building a motion detector using a PIR sensor, buzzer, and an I2C LCD display. When it detects movement, the screen instantly shows motion detected. Let's jump right in. Here's what we're using. An Arduino Uno. A PIR motion sensor. A 16 by 2 I2C LCD. A buzzer. And some jumper wires and a breadboard. Now let's wire the components. SCL to A5. SDA to A4. VCC to 5 volt. GND to negative. Now let's connect PIR sensor to Arduino. The pin on the right to 5 volt. The middle pin to digital pin 2. The pin on the left to negative. Now let's connect the buzzer. Positive pin of the buzzer to digital pin 8. Negative pin to ground. That's all. Here's the code. It checks the PIR sensor and updates the LCD instantly. When motion is detected, it prints motion detected and triggers a short buzzer beep. These are the libraries required. Here we create an LCD object and defines the PIR pin and buzzer pin. In setup, we initializes the LCD and prepares the pins so the loop can continuously read the PIR sensor and update the LCD and buzzer. Here we create a variable, motion, to store the PIR pin value. The loop constantly checks the PIR sensor and updates the LCD and buzzer output in real time. That's all. Alright, let's test it. When I move my hand, the LCD reacts instantly, and the buzzer gives a quick alert. When there's no motion, LCD prints no motion. The PIR senses infrared changes, basically, movement, and the LCD shows the message in real time. That's it for today's build. If you want the full wiring and code, check out the description below. More Arduino projects coming soon. Subscribe to Tomtronics and stay tuned.